So here the next question. In this video we are going to solve an example based on the projection of the vector. So here the question is, find the projection of the vector A on the vector B. So vector A is given vector B and we have to find the projection of vector A on B. So what is the formula of projection of vector A on B? That will be nothing but vector A into or dot product of unit vector B. So that means we write as, here given is vector A, that is 2i 3j plus 2k, and B is I plus 2j plus k. So to find the projection of vector A on B, the projection of vector A on the vector B, the vector B is given by formula, is given by, what is the formula? That is equal to A dot product of two vectors upon magnitude of that vector. So A vector dot product of these two vectors upon this, you can directly write dot product of these two vectors upon modulus of vector B, because you have to find the projection of vector A on B. So therefore what is the formula? That will be nothing equal to, that is vector A into dot product of unit vector, but unit vector B is equal to B vector upon modulus of B. So what we have, first we find the dot product of these two vectors. So dot product of these two vectors, then we apply. So first, what is the magnitude of vector B? Magnitude of vector B will be under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, that is 4 plus 1 plus 1 5, that is 6, under root 6. Now the dot product of two vectors, that is 2i plus 3j plus 2k, and the B vector is I plus 2j plus k. So that means I dot I is 1, that means 2, plus 3 2s are 6, and then 2. So what will be equal to? That is equal to 10. So therefore apply these in the above, we get projection of vector A on B is equal to A dot B. So A dot B, dot product of two vectors is 10 upon, that is magnitude of B, root 6. So you can write it as like this also. If you rationalize it, you will get 10 root 6 upon 6. So you can find, so that means 5 upon 3 root 6. So this is the projection of vector A on vector B.